Hi again everyone, Jadengo's proverb of the week is "Cat mouth kill cock." It means a rooster was killed by his own mouth. The butcher would not have known where to find him had he not opened his mouth to crow. Other meanings: one should never boast, nor should one speak out of turn. We should choose our words with care. Watch your mouth, as it can get you in great trouble. This also implies that we need to be more careful of the things we say, as our words can come back to haunt us. And also, do not act as if you are better than others. Remember to download the exclusive Jalingo app from the iOS App Store if you want to see more words, proverbs, or expressions. Also, click on the download links in the description box below. Thanks again for watching and have a great day.